So hello guys and welcome back to my new video of Roblox, and today I am with Shadab, and today we are playing Rivals and not normal rival, normal rival. We are doing random. अरे भाई लिख bro is typing I am Shadab. All people know you are Shadab. Let's go. We are doing random today. Let's go. Construction. So you can see I have too many guns and oh, what did I got, guys? My favorite weapon. Best gun for movement. Let's see if he can kill me. Hello. Oh, bro was trying to freeze me. No. Hello, my brother. No. Let's go. Bro, you are literally noob. Bro, let's go, guys. I got my first win and another. I got another premium thing. So let's go, guys. No. Bro, no. I didn't know. He has katana. No, he has katana. Oh, a burst rifle. Let's go. Why is this guy AFK? GG's. Free win. I am win one round. I am win. I win one round. Bro, don't you? GG's, and I am jumping on the strip mine and and if you don't know, person who wins 3 times get 1000 Robux. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go, guys. No. Let me change. Nah, not AR. Well, nah. Bro, God. I have to play this game. I have already played this game too much time, and bro throw this on me, so I will throw too. Hell no. Bro got minigun. I think if this guy if this guy gets the sniper, guys, if you didn't know, flamethrower. What the hell? Did I just kill? So person win 3 times get 1000 Robux. 1000. No. Robux. I won one round. Let's go, guys. Let's do another 1v1. I have to win. Oh no, not back room. What I'm bro, what the hell? What did I know. Where is this guy? I have infinite ammo. Hell nah. I have to kill him. Hell nah, hell nah. Let's go! Literally, I'm so pro in this game. No one can beat. He can beat me if he gets sniper or shotgun because he's too pro. Let's go, bros. We have to go. No! I am 1 HP now. Why did I jump to trip mine? Why? He's 1 hit. If I would give him head, nah. 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 Nah, nah. No! Only 1 hit. He was only 1 hit. Oh. Bro killed me with trip mine. So I will kill him with trip mine. Nah. Bro. No! How did bro survive my gun? Get out. Nah, not bro. Oh no. Let's go. Oh. Come here. How did I survive? How? No, bro, I can't. What the hell? What is going to me? No, he can't beat me because I got my best gun. RPG. No. Dramaram. I lost. Will I get? Nah, 1-5. I'm going to get 1-5. So, set it. What the hell? My game just glitched. What happened to my game? No! Oh, if he will win 3 times, if he will win 2 times, he will get the 100 Robux. Not 100, 1,000. Why I'm saying 100? It's not again. Yeah. Let's go, guys. I'm going to fly. Oh, let's go. Exogun. Oh, Exogun. I got my favorite gun. And come here. No! Bro killed me with the chainsaw. I want something cool. Let's go. Now let's check. How can he kill me? And bye. Hell no. Oh, hell no. No! Why I'm losing? Let's go. I gave him too much. No. What? Why I was placing these trip mine? Oh, medkit. So I think I can survive some attack. Why? Let's go. I'm not too good at using gunblade, but flamethrower. Oh, that's pretty much good. Hell nah. What? What happened to my health? Hell nah. What? Is he hacking? I think I am losing my 1000. Stop hacking! Stop hacking! Stop hacking! Noob! You got to win! Guys, I have to lock in now. Nah, bro. Noob! Why did you do that? Sorry, my bad. Wow. I will tell him what's the meaning of my bad. Come here, bro. Oh, bro is spamming. Bro is literally spam clicking. Let's go. Bro, you can't defeat me. Aha, energy rifle. I will tell him what's bro? Is bro AFK? I didn't think. Oh hell no, hell no. Oh, how? I can't believe. I am switching the weapon. GG's. Next. Nah, not the burst rifle. Bro forgot how to use the sniper. He's supposed to be the king of the sniper. Nah. If bro hit me one more 50, so I'm going to. What? I literally countered his sniper. Not again. Let's go. I got the short range gun. Bye. Let's go. I was literally at 6 health. Grenade launcher. Let's go. It's the best gun for movement. No! No! Why? What I am do again? What the hell? What the hell? What? No, I'm not using the burst, guys. Let's go! RPG! Let's go! Hell no. Not the paintball. Actually, I countered his paintball gun already. Bye! GG's. Now I have to win. Let's go. Say something to all. Yeah. Oh, let's go. I have idea, guys. I'm going to use the loadout of, I don't know what's this area. Arena. Yeah, Arena. Let's try his reaction. Let's see his reaction. GG's. Bro, it's the best loadout for Arena. How? Oh, hell no. What am I doing? Let's go. It's the final round. I have to win, guys. I have to lock in. I have to win and lock in. GG's. To win. Oh. Oh, I have to switch the weapon. Hanna. Oh, I gave him 50 damage. So don't say why I was quiet, because I was focusing. Oh, bro didn't know from where area I was killing him. Let's go. Oh, bro have exogun. Nah, it's exogun is the best gun, and I died. I don't want to lose my 100 Robux. Even I only have 3,000. Hello. No. Guys, I have to log in, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. No! No! I lost! Hell nah! Bro! I lost! You got 1,000 Robux. Robux. No way. You. Nah. Nah. Meow. Nah, bro. Bro, literally make me too angry. What will I do to him? Kick or ban? Bro, what happened? Bro, heyo, bro. Guys, give me 1,000 Robux. Okay. So guys, I think it's done. And I lost my Robux. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. So bye bye. Bye bye. Very bye bye.